Okay, welcome back. Good afternoon, good evening actually. Welcome back to the trading recap. And with this one, bro, I have to tell you that you can hear it in my voice. I'm not really happy, honestly, because it was an amazing opportunity to go short, but I missed it. I mean, I caught it a little bit, but that's about it, okay? So let's go together through the trade. Let's remove the trade. Let's keep the stop loss. Okay, so what have we done actually? Look, New York market opened at 9:30, okay, or 3:30 my time. So market opened at 3:30 and we immediately swept pre-market session high and London session high. And we barely, we didn't even touch Tokyo session high, okay? So once that happened, the price returned back down and broke structure with this huge ass candle to the downside. So here I was thinking, okay, we will not go higher, we will go then lower, because if we inversed at the same time, look, okay, sorry, I'm talking way too fast, sorry. Let's begin again from the beginning. So what happened was we opened, New York session started, we pushed the price up through pre-market session high and London session high, and then the price started to reverse back down, all right? And what happened? Here we had one bullish fair value gap that actually started to get inversed. And then once this candle here, you see this candle didn't inverse this bullish fair value gap, but here I started to pay attention that perhaps we will start to inverse this fair value gap and go lower, okay? So what did I do? Then this third candle, this candle started to print, okay? This big long one, this one started to print, and then once it went below the bullish fair value gap and also below this New York open low, here I got a little bit impatient, more or less, and I pressed short. Nah, it wasn't here, it was actually here below those lows. Once the price reached all of those lows here, I pressed short and I put my stop loss here above this candle, okay? I put it and I was targeting like pre-market session low for more or less 0.5 risk reward ratio, okay? Because I actually didn't target directly 0.5. I targeted a little bit less because I got afraid, because I already missed this move downwards. So that's why I got afraid that perhaps I am already at the end of the trend and I will get stopped out, okay? So I took half of the position more or less off, okay? And then I moved my stop loss to to break even, and then I eventually got stopped out, okay? So more or less, I think I made around 8 to 9 euros, more or less, okay? I'm not sure, but yeah, 8 euros. So that was the trade. And now, of course, what could have I done better? What I could have done better is go to 1 minute chart and simply observe the price. So if we delete now this trade, and if we move stop loss a little bit above, okay? If we delete all of that, we can see the price on 1 minute. So what did we do? We swept, we went up, we swept like London session high and pre-market session high, and then we actually broke structure to the downside with this huge ass candle, okay, you see? And at the same time, what did we have here? We had 1 hour bullish fair value gap. So once the price would inverse that bullish fair value gap, here I should go long. I should go short. Put my stop loss above, okay? Push the stop loss here. Here I should go short. And then once I would hit 0.5, more or less here, I would take half of the position off, okay? And then move my stop loss to break even. And then target 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, which would have been hit. You see? So that would have been an amazing trade, okay? So this is what I should have done, but of course it's easy to analyze the price for backwards, okay? Because once you are in the moment and once you are trading, there are a lot of emotions, a lot of stress, you know, it's quite stressful, honestly. So that's why I'm happy with the trade. Green color is green color, it's win is win, okay? But yeah, this is what I could have done better, okay? So now let's recap the today's trade just again. Sorry, I know I'm annoying, but I was talking way too loud. I was talking way too fast because I was really excited, okay, to present you the trade. So what have I done was actually we swapped London session high and pre-market session high. Then we inversed this big ass fair value gap here. Sorry, let me adjust it. We inversed this big ass fair value gap, okay? And then once the price started to go lower and lower and lower, more or less here below those lows, this is where I pressed sell. I put my stop loss above this current candle, okay, that was, and I targeted first pre-market session low. Once pre-market session low got hit, I moved my stop loss to break even, okay, and then eventually I got stopped out, okay. So yeah, this is basically the trade that I did. Now on this point I invite you to join my Discord server. I have to now insert this trade here into my trade breakdown, and here you can see also daily analysis, you can see self-improvement content, a lot of it, okay? And basically we have trading and self-improvement in one channel because I want to become better trader and stronger man, okay? So this is where I document basically my journey. So feel free to subscribe also to my YouTube channel. It's a lot of trading content, as you can see. So yeah, welcome bro. That's about it. Do the hard work and see you on top of the world.